Okay, so in the last class we did for this thing, right? The theory part for the uh, load balancers, right?
Yeah.
So today we'll do that this is practical for the this thing, like how we are going to see like how it's actually working. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
see. Let's go for the you understood, right? Like the concept you understood, right? What are the things for the
Mm.
load balancers, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's go to the uh, the first thing first. Let's roll out the thing to servers. Okay. Uh,
Sure.
so I have one server, web server, and you already know now what is the things over there in the web server. I converted this
Yes.
normal server into the web server. So I wrote those commands and all. If you remember that, let me show it to you. Uh, um, I think I'm not sure whether. See here. This is the one which you remember, right? And then HTTP UI and then services is restart and then enable it and then it goes to this thing. And later on, I'm giving some message over welcome to website. This thing H1 HTML index.html. Okay. Then so this is the point where we'll roll down this server so that we'll get this message. Okay, na? So
Yeah.
so let's go here and start this server first. Okay, meanwhile I'll create one more server. Okay, and if you remember, I took the backup in the last class only. I think I did that. If you remember, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So right now it's you can see that it's available. Okay. Earlier it was pending state. Now it's available. So I'm not. You can do it from here, then launch it from AMI. But I want to show you the different way so that it will be easier for you. So like regarding the interview purpose, it will be really good for you so that you should know how to launch the instances from the AMI itself or from using the AMI. Okay. So this is the one it's running. Okay. This is my second server.
Second server.
Okay. Fine. This is the one. I'm here. This is the one. These earlier we used to take recent or to churn. Now I'm doing it my end. Okay. And if you click
Okay.
here, it, I am having only one backup of the server, which I took it as like an HTTP server. So I clicked on it, and this is the one. And that's all. I'll go there and create the key pairs with the first key pair, and I use the security key pair, and I have to keep my ports 80 and 443 open. So that is the reason. Like last class also we saw that, like how to
Okay. Yes.
use the web server, right? So I'm converting my normal server into the web server. So this is the one, and uh, I that's all. Uh, so I just launched it. I go ahead. So you have to wait for some time. I think it's in pending sheet. Let it come into the. Meanwhile, I'll show you like if it is working fine or not. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. One thing I think I have to edit it. What I have to do then? 1 second, because see, I'll tell you the reason it will read out the traffic actually. So that is the reason because both both the servers the message will come the same. So see, it's coming right. It's working fine. Yeah. Welcome to website.
Yeah.
Okay. So the only issue is just imagine like in the second server we're getting welcome. Okay, let me change it itself. Give me- give me- Wait a second. What I'm do is here it's coming now. Let me stop it. So stop and change the message so it'll be easier for both of us to settings. It's not there, not visible. I have to make it stop actually. Until it's not be stopped, then it won't work. So you can hear my voice, right? Yeah. So it's in stop mode. Okay. Yeah. I'll click this, and you can hear my voice, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Settings. Go to the user data, and here I'll change the some value. So I'm just putting over here the second website. Uh, Welcome to the second website. This is the one. I just save it.
Okay.
Okay. I change it, and I'll start it. Okay. So from this one, we'll get the message the welcome to the second one. From the first one, we'll get just welcome. Okay. So if I'll just go for you just I'll copy this one. I'll copy this one. Control V. I see. You see here. It will come the welcome to the website. The one which we got it here. It should come here. See. Okay. Now, but if I
Yeah.
run this one, the first one, I should get the what method I should get
Sure. Welcome to.
second website. It is. Okay. Oh, I did one check. I'm sorry. I will stop it first again. Uh,
No worries.
okay. Because we did that uh, for it will not override. It will actually append it.
So whenever we
So
select the web server, so
yeah.
this public IPv4 address has to be visible there, correct?
Yes. Which one you're talking about? This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. This will visible. This will be visible now. This will always be visible. So what I'll do is wait. Once it will come to the top mode, now, yeah. Now I can change the stuff. So what actually take with it. Not the mistake. It's just like kind of. I'll show you. One second. See here comes. So initially it's already there. The second method. It's appending actually. Okay. So I'll change the value here. Okay. And,
Yeah.
and I'll save it. I just change this thing, the direction part. Okay. Okay. So now, meanwhile, I think this is working fine. This is what I wanted. Just since okay, this is working fine. Okay, and it will come to the
Yes.
second.
Okay.
Okay, this here it should come the second one. Even if it will not work, we'll go through. We'll work it out. Okay, we'll try to go forward. We have to wait some time. Let's come. Yeah, okay, let's run this one.
It's working fine.
So let's go forward. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'll create the what I have to do. We have to do the we did the sample for the load balancer, right?
Correct.
Yeah, no?
We were
So
learning the load balancer in last
yeah,
class.
yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So this one I'll do. So this is the one create load balancer, and this one I've already explained, right? The application and the
Yes.
network, the gateway, now. So today we'll create the thing.
So
The app,
classic load balancer is not much recommended, right?
no, it's not in use actually. It's not even
Okay.
recommended part. We don't have to go there. It's not even
Okay.
there now. We don't have to use it. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm gonna run this one application load balancer. So I'll do the create. And as I told you earlier, this thing, the difference between the application load balancing and network load balancing, it's very important for like interview purpose. The network load balancing and the application load balancing is very important as far as interview is concerned. They're gonna ask you at any cost. They're gonna ask you, I'm pretty sure to show you thorough it. And let's create the load. LB is nothing but a load. So here it comes the next part, the scheme thing. Internet is not internet. That means what? It means like the traffic is coming from the internet or this internet page. Internet page is like the traffic is coming from the internet. And coming to the internet part, that means like the traffic is actually coming from internal application. Okay, this is the one. And this is the VPC, the default VPC and all. I chose all the zones. Okay, and go forward,
Yeah.
yeah, the security group I have to choose. I choose the security group, the same security group which I chose for the engine. Okay, the web server. Okay, yeah, here this is the important part. See, the target group is nothing but like it will actually list the instances, the group of instances. So here, if you remember, we are using only two servers, right? So
Correct.
these will be my target groups here.
Okay. The group of instances,
Yes,
basically.
yes, yeah. So this will be my target groups. Both are running now. Both are running fine. Okay. And if it comes to this part,
Yeah.
I'll do the create target group. It moves to the different tab. Uh, Okay. So which is the target type? It's like no, I'm using the instance. I'm not using for IP address. I'm using the instance. So that only I'm taking IP
Okay.
address. Okay. And instances, the lambda function and all will discuss this. Lambda function is will discuss. So application, TG is like no target group. Okay, this one and the IPv4 is coming and the VPC is fine. HTTP this one. Health check here. This one index.html. If you remember, I'm redirecting all my the messages to this file. So that means what? Like until if the health check means what? This will internally ping to this index.html. If this file will be there, that means health check is fine. Health check says itself like if that server is running fine or not. If that server is not able to ping that index.html, that means we are not able to like the health check is not fine. That means we are not supposed to go further. Okay, this is
Okay.
the one. Okay,
Okay.
I'll go to the next one. And so available instance. You see, I'm having two available instances. Web server one and the single web server. Okay, so yes, sorry. So here, so I'm choosing both of them. Okay, this is the one.
Okay.
Okay, um, see, you're getting my point. What I'm trying to say. See,
Yes, I got it. Yes.
I'll show you here. Okay, so this is the last time we discussed, right? In the last one we discussed this diagram. So that means what, like if the traffic is coming, this is your load balancer. Okay, the one which I
Yes,
created
we
just now.
discussed in the last class this, correct?
Yeah,
Flip cut.
okay. Yeah.
Give an
So
example of flip
yeah,
cut.
yeah. So whatever it's coming, whatever the data is coming, whatever the traffic is coming, it will redirect to the servers in a uniform way. So right now here it is. They have shown four, but for my case, I'm using two. Okay, second server,
Okay.
second server, web server. I'm using these two. So you can imagine like here we are using two only. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do. So
Yeah.
these are all my targets, which I already shown this, and I'm doing include as pending below. That means what, like the health status pending. That means what you have to include it over here. The moment you do it, they'll do the health check. If it is able to touch that index.html, only then we can go forward. That means the targets are working fine, and it means like your
Okay.
server is working fine. Okay,
Okay.
so I've
If
created
any error
the
comes, then it will show.
definitely like your health check will go wrong. So here should see it coming healthy. Right now it's
Okay.
healthy because now when we'll do the when we'll use the target group, this target group in the load balancer, and they're gonna check internally. If it is able to reach the index.html, that means it's working fine. If it's not, then it won't go further. Okay, so this is the one.
Okay.
Okay, Now, if I come back to my load balancer account, okay, I'll do the refresh part. Now, if you'll see, I'll do the drop down. My application target group comes. Okay, I created just now,
Yeah.
and the moment I refresh it, it came. Okay, and now we'll go there. Let's get the load balance. So, the load balance. Yeah, this is the one. It uh,
Mm.
it might take a little bit time, but it's provision. Okay, okay, and there
Okay.
comes to the next. There comes the part. So next time we won't get the IP. We just get the load balancer. We'll click over here, and it will redirect my traffic to in these two servers in a uniform way. If 100 servers are 100 requests are coming, so 50 will go to the one server, 50 will go to the this server. Okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
okay, okay. So let's wait for some time. I think it will provision. So let's wait for some time. The meanwhile, fine. So you know the message, right? The second, the both the servers is coming. Welcome to website, and I've already shown it to you. Both are working very much fine. Okay, I'll show you. I'll do it once again. Okay, welcome to website. Okay, this is the 172. Okay, this is from 172. That is the second web server. I'm going to the second web server. Second server. I'll copy it, click it, put in the new. Welcome to the website. 128. So both my servers are working fine. I come to the
Okay.
yeah. Let's refresh it. I will. Okay, still provisioning. Let's wait for some time. Um, come to the
Sure.
see internally it's all happening. Okay. Earlier it was unused, now it's initial. Okay. This thing
Yeah.
happening internally. Okay. So it's active now. Okay. Let's go here. This page. So you see, we got the message. Healthy.
Yeah.
Got it. So it's able to
Got
use the
it.
index.html. Okay. Now we'll come back to the load balancer and go here. Now I've selected the load balancer. This is the process. So I've selected this load balancer. I'll come to the details part. Come to the details part. I'll go to the down. I'll get the DNS name. DNS name which I remember. I've told you that even if the Flipkart.com is there, so like in the background some server is running, some server IP address is running. Okay, but they have given a DNS name, the Flipkart.com. The very same way for us as well, there is a DNS. There is server is running, but for the user perspective, with the user perspective, the IP address is not given for the security purpose, and definitely it's not catchy. So that is the reason we have to use the DNS name. For us, like the DNS name is Route 53, we'll discuss that as well. So here, for the time being, it's coming the DNS name. Okay, DNS name I've copied. Okay, I'm putting it over here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm running. So if I'll keep it, means like it. Okay, you can see, you can ask me like why this thing and all. The second, because both the messages are same only. Welcome to website. Okay, that is the only problem. Okay, that is the only problem.
Okay. Now it's coming.
Yeah, okay. So this is the one. Okay? Because if you do the back thing, no, this is called a sticky session. Sticky session is like, so you're getting my point. What I'm trying to say, I can understand
Yeah.
you. You might be feeling a bit difficult, like why the messages are same, because you can see here. I've already shown it to you on both the servers. My messages are same only, right? Welcome to
Yes.
website one. Welcome to
Correct.
website one. Okay, that is the reason. if I'll keep it's coming, or else sometimes it's redirecting to this server. Sometimes internally what's happening, I'll tell you. Sometimes it's redirected to this server. Sometimes it's redirected to this server. Sometimes it's redirected to this server. Sometimes redirected to this server. At some point of stage, you will come to know you're getting the message are same. It's not moving, and I'll tell you why. Because the reason is there's a concept called sticky session. Now, what is happening in the sticky session? That's very important. You should know this. Like in the DevOps engineering, we should know what is sticky session. The sticky session is but uh, let's talk about the real time. Uh, you might have seen the cases where whenever you do the shopping at Amazon or the Flipkart.com, you save the cart, and you might have gone somewhere. Okay, after 2 hours, you came back. You can see your information still saved, still there, right? So
Correct.
that is right. So that is the reason. But earlier what used to happen,
Good balance.
if
Good balance.
yeah, when you are actually trying to save it, and again uh, like something comes up, like the power goes off and all, server goes down, something comes up, so again your data, your the saved information goes off, so that it becomes a very tedious process for the users, for the customers. So they come up with the key section. What's gonna happen, if the user is keep on banging on the same server at the background, what is gonna happen, they save the data. They have
Oh,
formulated the server in such a way so that it will save the data, so that it will actually whatever data you have saved it in the previous, like the information which you are given, the card, the information, the credit card information, or the mobile information, whatever the thing, it will remain there. So that is the reason we keep getting the same message, welcome to the website. Okay, means like the
okay.
this that's the deal. Like it will come, what I'm trying to say, the sticky session is if imagine here you're getting welcome to the website, here you're coming welcome to the website too. Okay, now what is going to happen, sometimes it's coming this, sometimes it's coming this, sometimes it's coming something like after some time, the the algorithm says at the background it's coming, like, okay, the data is coming to the only this server, so it will stick to the welcome to the website too only. So you can, if it even if it will keep on banging on the same website, you can come to know, okay, I'm getting the same message, so this is because of the sticky session. So that is nothing but the sticky session. Okay, okay, so your load balance is completed. Do you have any doubt up to here? Do you have any doubt?
No, 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 no
Oh,
doubts, Asli.
okay. Let's cover one more topic today. Okay, because why I'm telling, because actually, this thing, because these servers will be needed. That is the reason I don't want to create it again, over and again. So that is the reason I'll complete this thing as well today. Auto
No
scaling.
worries.
Okay,
Yeah,
don't take too much time. Let's cover this. Autos.
sure.
Okay, 1 second. Uh, are you able to hear me? Okay, okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Come on. It's not recording. It's happening. Sorry. Okay. So, okay, let's come to the remove this. Let's it don't take too much time. Okay.
No, no worries.
Okay. Okay. I'll just show you the image, and theory not much there. I'll just listen. If you remember last in the last class, I did the stuff over there. So yeah, it's good. Okay. This is all. So in the last class, like in the previous classes, I have mentioned how the things are working in the auto scaling. If you remember, uh, I gave you the example for the big billion days, and days in Hotstar. Whenever they IPL match or the India match is coming, like Dhoni comes, the server goes up, the users come, the users scale goes up, and in the very same way, when users goes up, the server will be up, right? In the very same way,
Correct.
right? Okay, and if the server get crashed or because of some reason, because imagine my server is still there, okay, there's two servers only, okay. Now what is going to happen, like because just because the two server, my 200 requests cannot be handled by the two servers. That is the reason, if it's going to happen, what is going to happen, like it will destroy the server. The server will be crashed because there is a load on my server. It cannot handle more than 100 servers, right? In the very same way, like what we will achieve right now. So we'll try to crash the server, we'll try to remove the server, and we'll come to know like the server is coming up over and again. Okay, this will try to achieve. So you understood like auto scaling concept. Whenever there'll be the users will be increased, my server will be increased. Okay, and if the server goes down, so it will come on its own. That is nothing but that is the beauty of the auto scaling, and you're not doing it here. What you're happening, you are like uh, uh, you are creating these servers and you are actually running these servers on your own. You're happening, it's happening manually, but here in auto scaling, uh, yeah, here it's not happening this thing automatically here. um, Sorry, my bad. Here it won't happen manually, it will come automatically. Okay, so this is one we will see. Okay, let's go to the auto scaling part. You understood the
Okay,
concept?
so
Yeah,
yeah,
please. Right.
I have a good doubt.
Yeah.
Like, auto scaling is something. For example, now we see recently we have seen the cricket right in Hotstar. Okay, the traffic. How you might you told me that 4.6 or 4.7 crore people were
Yes,
live.
yes, yes,
Yeah, so that is where auto scaling comes into the picture and handles the traffic into the server.
yes, yes, you can say that. Yes, you can say that. Yes.
Okay,
The
okay,
same example which goes for the big billion days, the shopping cart. So this same example applies there as well. Okay.
okay,
So okay, I'm going for the practical. Okay. So this is the auto scaling group. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, the down it will come here, or if you search over in the auto scaling, you can come to the launch on configuration. The moment you come here, will come to this thing, auto scaling groups. Okay. Let's create the auto
yeah.
scaling group. I'm creating it. Come to ASG as auto scaling group. ASG scaling group 01. Okay, ASG 01 and launch template. Okay, launch template nothing but Amazon is saying what kind of template you wanted. Even if you're you are actually running a server, so they are saying what kind of server you wanted. It, so launch template is nothing but there is not much difference between the launch template and the EC2 instance. You can see here launch instances, it's coming launch template. So when we talk about template, it's not what we're talking about the server only. Okay, you see here AG launch template is there. Okay, I'll create one more. I'll show it to you. Okay, okay, here.
Sure.
Okay, okay. I see here it's coming create launch template.
Okay,
Okay, and I'll do the okay uh, uh, AG template. Okay, uh, let's give some. Okay, this is my launch template. Okay, so
sure.
based on this server only, my server will be number of servers will be increased and decreased. Okay, this is the one. Okay,
Okay,
so 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 I'm using the same over here as well. That's the reason I wanted to this thing HTTP server. I'm using the same server. It had the same the welcome to the website and all. Okay, the same server HTTP website.
okay,
Okay, I'm selecting it.
yeah,
It's already already done. We have already took that. People can choose the first people. I'll use the existing group on the web server. Scroll volume is not required. Launch. Okay, so this is my launch template. Okay, I'll go here. I'll refresh this page. I'll get my launch server. I should get it. See here, this is the one I just created. ASG launch template. 1, 2, 3, 4.
yes,
Okay, this is the one. Okay, you're getting a point why I created this launch template, because what are the server I'm going to run? The same replica of the server will feature when I'll create my application. See,
okay,
this is the server. These are instances. This is nothing but this is what I create my template. This is what I've got it in. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the one thing which you can say, like, that capacity must be two and the minimum capacity one could be, because it cannot be zero, of course, right? That is, they have got it. Go here. I'll go the one. I'll take no minimum, because if you want, you can give the CPU usage as well. I'm not, because I'm going with my template, whatever is been there. Okay.
Okay.
And it's fine. Fine. Okay, so these are no networking and all. Okay. I'll go to the next part. Okay, availability zone. Okay, sorry. Availability. You can choose any of this, but my server will occur only on these availability zone which I'm choosing it. So either you choose two,
Okay.
three, or six. You can choose, but the maximum if there'll be maximum availability, that's more good for my application. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, now next. So here it's come, no, here it's coming attaching existing load balancing. The one which I already have it. Okay, the load balancer. We created the load balancer in the last class. So this is the mic. These are target groups attached to an existing using load balancer. Okay, and it's always enabled. You can do the 30 thing. Health check is nothing but, like, health check grace period is nothing but, like, it's like kind of like, the moment the health check is fine till 30 seconds, it won't start the services. After 30 seconds only, it will start. Imagine when you start your bike or when you start your truck and all. So what is going to happen? It's like, you wait for some time, like, right? So you wait for okay, my engine goes into the running mode, only then I'll start my bike, right? In the very same way, like, you have to
Yeah.
wait for 30 seconds. Okay. 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 So desired capacity. This is the one. Desired minimum capacity, you can make it to one. Desired capacity two. Okay, let's make it 10. What we'll do. Make it 2 minimum capacity, because anyways we are using two servers. Okay. Okay, that looks fine. Yeah. These are, like, if you want, like, availability zones and all based on your requirements. Like, no, the launch before terminate, intermittent launch, custom. These are all, like, chargeable things. Okay. That's the reason I'm going with we are using
Okay.
a bleed here. So these are one. What do you think? One more video. Value, value, value. Okay, okay, we are getting. So I'll do. Okay, next, these are all optional. Next, fine. Okay, okay. So my auto killing group is completed. Let's wait for the status. And once the status will come, here to see the instances. Right now, you can see here only just two are running. Okay, the web
Yeah.
server. We took the template format. And let's make it. Let's wait for some time. Once it becomes active now, then you'll come to know what is the beauty of the auto scaling. You can see here what's happening. I didn't do anything. It come on its own.
Yes.
You getting what is the thing? The moment the balance becomes more, like, the server is not able to handle it. The auto scaling group, what will do, they will increase the server. Since we have used value, we gave the value till 2. That is it. It has created only 2. If you see, if you remember that, what I did is add capacity equals to 2, which I gave. That is the reason. Okay, it came to it came on its own. Okay, now if I do that, and if I try to, let's remove the server. I'm trying to see. I'm clicking it, and the number is 428. I'm terminating it. My instance got
Understood.
terminated. Okay, instance got terminated.
Successfully terminated.
See what's happening. I terminated.
Pending.
It came into the pending state. Okay, so I
Okay.
didn't do that. I didn't do that. It came on its own.
Automatically it happened.
Yes, it comes on its. If I just wait for a second, see, it's coming running now. You're getting my point. What is the point? What is the whole scenario? What is the
I got it, yeah.
what was happening in the background? When you when if the load becomes more, it creates on its own. If even if it get crashed or terminated, it takes one more server. This is what the beauty of the on-scaling is.
So
Okay.
that is what that was the automated process basically.
Yes, that's good. That's okay. Stop this
Understood.
call.
Yeah.